This clip might look like a random bathroom selfie, but the crazy part is that I didn't manually edit any of it because Vizard did the heavy lifting for me. After spending months testing every auto-editing tool on the market, I finally nailed a workflow that turns one long video into dozens of viral-ready shorts without babysitting an editor. While most teams are stuck waiting days for a single 30-second cut, my process lets you test 50 different hooks and caption styles to find the winners fast. Today, I'm walking you through my full 2026 Vizard workflow, using a vitamin C serum demo to show you how I create a massive library of high-performing UGC clips. I'll show you exactly how this tool identifies the best moments, edits them into bite-sized content, and schedules them for posting without any extra headaches. Let's start with the raw footage, which is just a 6-minute creator-style video shot on a phone in a room with warm, natural lighting. Usually, you would hand this off to an editor and wait a few days, but with Vizard, we just upload the master file and let the AI do the heavy lifting. The software instantly analyzes the footage to find the punchy hooks, the product reveals, and the memorable lines that are perfect for social media. It quickly spits out 4 high-potential clips, including a direct presentation shot where the creator introduces the product. I also love how it automatically identifies the close-up application shot where they press the serum into their skin. It even flags the satisfied reaction shot, which is absolutely essential for building that authentic testimonial vibe. I usually listen through the suggestions and tweak a few things, but the real kicker is that Vizard generates multiple variations for me automatically. If I need a different hook or want to test captions on versus captions off, the platform generates those variations in just a few clicks. Whether you need square, vertical, or landscape formats, you aren't stuck with one take. You are basically getting a full mini campaign from one single recording. I know some people prefer using Premiere or CapCut, but those require constant manual decisions and way too much time spent on formatting and scheduling. Vizard is different because it is built entirely around the creator pipeline, ensuring the final output feels human rather than robotic. This leads to a much lower cost per clip and, more importantly, a much more consistent content output. Back to our serum example. I used the platform to test different hooks, like my skin legit glowed after 2 weeks, to see what performs best on the feed. Another great variation is starting with the action shot, where the camera zooms into the application with the text just 2 drops, and watch this. The real secret is testing small differences, so I create 40 micro variations to A/B test my copy and thumbnails until I find the clear winner. I also keep the creator's voice consistent by pasting the same core messaging into each clip so it feels like a unified brand presence. Using phrases like "it's so lightweight and absorbs instantly" across every edit helps make the whole campaign feel cohesive. That continuity is exactly what separates a professional channel from a janky mashup of unrelated ads. Another massive time saver is the auto schedule feature, where I set my frequency and let the tool manage the posting cadence for me. This completely replaces the manual nightmare of uploading to different platforms and guessing the best times for my audience. Most platforms only do one thing, but Vizard closes the loop by handling the creation, the optimization, and the scheduling all in one place. That closed loop is what allows smaller, leaner teams to punch way above their weight class. If you want extra creative control, you can still export these high-quality assets into apps like CapCut to add your final polish. Because every clip is pulled from the same high-quality recording, you never have to worry about continuity or mismatched lighting issues. I ended up posting a 7-second hook, a 10-second routine video, and a 15-second testimonial, all created in under 20 minutes. That kind of speed is absolutely insane compared to the traditional workflow we were stuck with just a few years ago. If you ever need an extra shot, you can just pair the Vizard workflow with a quick phone retake and it drops perfectly into the pipeline. You rarely need a full reshoot. as small additions like a 10-second voiceover can be handled right inside the clip editor. Because the variants are created so quickly, you can finally run tests that previously would have required a massive budget. Within just 1 week, you will know exactly which thumbnail, caption, and posting time is driving the most conversions for your brand. Of course, this isn't a replacement for creative strategy, as you still need good lighting and a confident creator to make it work. But if you have the raw content, Vizard turns one single piece of long-form media into a full month of promotional material. The reason this feels so powerful is that it removes all the friction of hunting for clips, reformatting, and manual scheduling. You can do this without hiring multiple editors or losing momentum while you wait for freelancers to deliver your assets. If you want to try it, just record a simple demo, upload it to the platform, and let the engine pull out your gems. Use the content calendar to set your posting cadence and watch how quickly you can iterate on your social strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll drop my favorite caption formulas and editing tips in the comments below. If you have a long video sitting on your phone right now, go try this workflow and tell me which clip performed the best. I will see you all in the next one.